So when you plug it into the outlet, you see this red light on the display here, right over here. Shows like a plug in red. So then you hit the power button on the remote control. There's a remote control here. So you hit the power button here, and it comes up. You have three modes: high, H1, H1, H2, and H3. So each one has a lot of wattage, different watts, 600, 900, and 1500 watts, so basically. Or you can change the mode to, they call it echo mode, and it goes, you can set the temperature between 41 and 95 degrees, and you can just change whatever temperature you want, and it will keep the temperature between that, like maximum of that. Also, you have a button here on the remote for the timer, so you can set the time between 0 to 1 to 24 hours. Change again here. Okay. Yep. 0 to 1 hour up to 24 hours. And turn it off. Also, you have at night, you can turn off the display, even though it's still running, but you can turn off. And also, you can change the beep. So, okay. Oh, press it too much. So now, when I change the temperature, it will beep. So you can turn it off so it don't bother people around. Yes, I do recommend that, and it's very good. So it has a child protection mode, which is a lock in case the unit tip over, it turns off automatically.
Plug in and turn upper knob to high and turn lower knob to max. Okay. When the desired temperature is reached, turn the lower knob back until it clicks. Then turn it slightly forward until it lights up again. If needed, use the upper knob to select your preferred heating level, high, mid, or low. 1500, 900, or 600 watts. Okay, interesting. And that's how it works. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna assume these are gonna get real hot and you're not gonna want to touch them.
It does put off some heat, and it makes absolutely no sound other than a little tink, tink when the oil inside starts to heat up. Other than that, it's very, very quiet.